Box break. This is NBA Hoops 2020-2021. This is our second box break on Ava's Ave. We did one. It was Panini 2021 Diamond Kings baseball. And we didn't record that one. So we're recording this one. And here we go.
When people do it, they like divide them. Like 5 on each side. First back.
Let's see, first back. So who are we going for in this set?
I want a slam insert. I don't really care who it is.
Slam insert. And then we obviously got, there's John Wall. Lou Williams, former 76er. Mateus Matthews. What do we got here? We got a special insert.
Wait, camera action.
Carl Anthony Edwards, rookie. Nice.
Rookies. Malachi and Daniel. Alright. We'll keep the rookies separate. And the special inserts right in the middle.
So how many packs are here? 10 or 12?
There's 11 packs in the box and 8 cards per pack.
Okay. Makes sense. We got 88 cards.
Kendrick Nunn, Torrey Craig, Daniel Gafford, Kevin Looney,
A. Davis.
Anthony Davis.
We got here.
I don't know. I've never seen.
Arriving now. Who is it?
Tyrese Halliburton.
There you go.
And then our rookies, Winston and Jones.
Isn't Winston the one you wanted?
No, oh, what's his name? It starts with a W. I forget. I don't know. Yeah. Quickly.
Okay. Let's see what we got there.
DeMar Jones.
DeRozan.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Sean Maker. Aaron Gordon. Whatever.
Gordon.
Draymond.
Draymond Green. Pope.
I don't even want to try.
Oh, look at that. There we go.
James
Harden put him right in the soft pack. That is a pretty cool card.
Talo.
Yeah, it's got like a refractor to it. Nice. Sleeve him up.
Put off a really good card right there. Okay. And then rookies, Aaron Smith and Obi Toppin. I wanted him too.
OB. From the Big Apple.
Yeah, I wanted that one too. This one feels sick.
Who knows? Maybe that'll be the one with the auto in it.
Nope, this one has a patched card.
Okay.
Okay. Christian Wood.
Mo
Bamba. Kevin Booker.
Mr. Jordan. DeAndre.
Oh
boy.
My gosh.
Hang on. Let me cut the edges.
Holy.
What we got here?
Patch. Is this game worn?
LaMelo.
Okay. Is that game worn?
I'm not sure. Just put him to the side though. We'll make sure.
Alright, it's not game worn, but it's really freaking cool. It doesn't say game worn, so I don't really know.
We got LaMelo patch. Well, keep going. You got Joel right behind it. That's my man. Let's see.
Nice. Frequent flyers, Joel Embiid.
That's right.
That's a sick card.
Yeah, it is.
Alright. Emmanuel Quinn, dang, and an Anthony Edwards.
Look at that. It's a hot pack right there.
Dang, this pack is loaded. Holy.
Hang on one second before you open the other one.
Dang, this pack is freaking loaded.
LaMelo
You got a thick pack
Yeah.
upstairs?
I got them upstairs, yeah.
Oh my gosh, that pack was loaded. Holy.
Yeah, let's hope the box ain't done.
Dang. Sick.
There we go.
Now I've got
We
both
got
of his
LaMelo
rookies.
all cased up. That's right. There we go.
I've got both of his rookies now. And
Patch card. That's nice. Careful when you're opening them. I think that's one of the biggest mistakes I see people do is when they open them.
I can't open this one.
They go a little hard and they can end up doing some damage on the
I
top.
want to see this. Oh my gosh, this card looks sick.
That's a pretty cool card.
Rise and Shine. It's a really nice card. I just want to get a slam insert now, and I'll be set for this pack.
Yeah.
Aaron
Hayes.
Jeremy Lamb.
Lamb.
Tyron Prince. Aubis Harris.
Tobias Harris, baby.
Oh,
He's a
Tobias.
76er.
Whatever that is.
Serge Ibaka.
Ooh.
What we got here?
Holidays.
You got
They all
Drew,
brothers?
Aaron, and Justin.
It's a nice looking card.
Pretty cool.
And then our rookies are Tyrese Max.
There we go. It's a sixer.
And
Put him to
then-
the side here.
Desmond Bain. Whatever you say.
Desmond, baby.
Desmond. I'm not good at pronouncing stuff.
Well,
What happened?
hmm?
I was opening
Here, I'll help you.
easy. Now I can't open them.
So let's see what we got here. I see Bucks. Is that a Giannis? Possibly.
We're in the back.
Yeah.
Victor, whatever. Oh, wrong Hornets, but
Malik Monk.
Um,
Tybal. That's my man.
Low-
Kyle Lowry. He was a big free agent a few
Eric.
weeks ago.
Eric.
Gordon.
Ooh, who is this? Devon I don't know.
Davis Donovan.
Whatever.
Donovan Mitchell.
Alright, Vanity plates.
Mhm.
It's pretty.
It's a cool card.
And our rookies, Bay and Bay.
Bay and Bay.
Bay.
Bay. That was a Bay's kids. All right, so what are we halfway through here? We got 2, 4, 5 packs out of the 11.
Wrong Hornets. Rose.
Rozier,
Jeff
Teague,
Harris
Barnes.
Luka Doncic.
Luka Doncic. There you go. You can sleeve him up.
Put him to the side, okay. Hayes. Ooh, we've got a blue.
Gordon Hayward blue. You can put him to the side.
Yeah, I'll sleeve these after. And then Stanley and Ramsey.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. I haven't gotten one of these yet. The blue.
Yeah, pretty cool. You said you wanted a Doncic.
Yeah. Nice. I want to get his rookie. Alright. Cam Reddish.
Mm-hmm.
Harry Gills III.
Mm-hmm.
Jordan Clarkson.
Yep.
Lonzo
The
Ball.
brothers.
Romello Longford.
Langford.
And then
Ooh, what
we've
we got
got a
here?
purple. Kevin Porter,
Porter
Jr.
Jr.
Put that right there. Theo Maldon.
It's a rookie.
And then Cole Anthony.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Sleeve him. Here. Let's get some last pack mojo. That's what people say. Give them that.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty cool, that patch card.
Yeah. Doesn't say anywhere game worn. Wonder if it is so. I mean, I've never opened one of these boxes, so. Rudy
Gobert.
Troy Brown Jr.
Mm-hmm.
Gordon Hayward.
Mm-hmm.
Paul George.
Paul George was there it is, Giannis. Sleeve him up. That's my guy.
And then Trey Jones.
It's a nice color card.
Purple.
Yeah.
And then, ooh!
Who's that?
Yeah, one of his rookie.
All right.
And then Isaac Oakford.
I don't even know how to pronounce his name, but it's long. And he plays for the KC Thunder.
Apparently he's really good.
Listen, if you're in the NBA, you got to be good.
Sweep these up really quick. I've got a Giannis special insert fantasy features from the Don Russ packets. Alright. 2 more packs. I don't know. Get some of these out. Oh, come on, slam inserts. I want a slam insert so bad. I don't really care who it is either. I just think they're so cool looking. Thank you. Alright. Bradley Beal.
Beal. He's a good player.
Andre
Iguodala.
Kawhi Leonard.
Kawhi's he bombed
George
too.
Hill.
George.
Laurie Markin. Whatever.
What we got here?
Who's this? Lights, camera,
Kyrie.
action. Kyrie.
Sleeve that one up.
Nice. And Josh Green and Hayes as our rookies. It's a nice card. This way. All right, last pack. Kevin Porter Jr.
Rudy Gay.
Luke
Kennard. Thaddeus Young, former 76ers. Big Clay.
Thompson.
Got a couple rings on his fingers. Vic.
All right. Vic, and it's a blue.
Yeah, you can put him to the side.
And then for our rookies, Isaiah Stewart. And Jordan Noir, I wanted his rookie too.
Nice.
Nice. All right.
Cool.
That was a pretty good box. That one pack, man, that was.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That was
We obviously saw the LaMelo. And then we got the lights, camera, action for Kyrie. Giannis, always fan favorite over here. Trae Young. Got rookie, you pronounce the name. Lonzo, the brother.
Luke.
Doncic.
Carl
Anthony Edwards. Two of his.
I wanted Emmanuel quickly so bad.
Sorry, that's Gordon Hayward. You got him?
I got it.
Emmanuel.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm happy I got it.
Joel says the Sixers go into the playoffs. That's a pretty cool card right there, the Harden.
Yeah, I'll get some of these out.
Big James. So we got the Kyrie, we got Stewart, Noir, and Oladipo. That's pretty cool that we got.
Yeah, I
The
really
lights-
like that pack.
Look, you got the lights, camera, action, Kyrie,
Here, let me put them in here.
and James. Sweet. Awesome. Till the next box.